Hi, I'm Ray, and today in this video we're going to go to Asda, and Asda are selling Acer trees for £5, and they've got lots of other bedding plants and other shrubs. So I'm going to go and take a look and see what they've got on the shelves in Asda. So let's go and have a look. So here we go, and we're going to take a look at the trolleys at Asda. There's quite a few trolleys of plants here. And first of all, straight in, the cordylines. Nice red cordyline for £8. This is the red variety, £8. We've got some pansies, 3 for £5, and some single pots. And we've got our Acers. This is Orange Dream, and these are £5. They're looking really good with those red edges, really nice. And we've also got some red ones, £5. We go into hanging baskets. These are £12. Nice spring basket. They're looking nice and colourful. Geraniums, bacopa, all sorts of flowers in them, looking really nice. Premium containers, £12. Different colours, different styles. They're all nice, looking really good. Then we've got the Kilmarnock Willow, $14.97. These are similar to the ones they had in Tesco's. They're looking nice. And then we've got some fruit trees, $7.27. Weird price. We've got plums. We've got apples. Gala apples. And Golden Delicious, $7.27. Quite a few different varieties in there. They're looking quite good. Just coming out in bud now, look. So they're quite healthy. Then we got some more pansies in baskets. These are $5.96. A smaller basket. Some nice lovely colours. Lovely and bright. Got some rhododendrons. These are a lovely colour. £10 for the rhododendrons. Just ready to burst out in colour. We've got some more baskets. These are £12. These are filled out a bit more, a bit bigger basket. And then we've got some spring containers. Nice pinks. They're £7. With a nice tree in the middle. They're looking really nice. We've got some hanging baskets. Pansies, £7. And some viola hanging baskets. £7. They're looking nice, purples and whites. Lovely. We've got some more containers, £10. And then we've got some trays of pansies, 3 for £5. These need a bit of a water. £3 for £5. We've got some spring containers. These are $9.98. Some nice daisies. Nice colourful display. And then we've got some square containers. Also $9.98. Bit of ivy in those. Nice looking container those. And then we've got some more containers. They're looking nice. Got some more trays of violas, some individual pots, 3 for £5. And then more pansies, more violas, 3 for £5. Need a good drink? Take it home, stick it in a bucket of water, that'll be fine. Then we've got Buxus Pyramid, £12. They look in good shape. And the Buxus Ball for £12. And a nice selection of them at the top, make a nice display. Here we go, pansies, 3 for £5. More bedding plants, 3 for £5. And more pansies. And then back to the cordylines, £8. I think this is the best looking deal. I think they look nice. Stick them outside the front door. They look lovely. So there we go. That's the selection of outdoor plants in Asda. So let me know in the comments. Have you bought anything from Asda? Let me know and that'd be great. Cheers.